Some major news out of Washington today. Special counsel Jack Smith filed a motion to dismiss the criminal charges against President-elect Donald Trump. This would be for both the federal election interference and the classified documents cases.
NBC's Alice Barr has the latest on the decision and what the future of those cases now looks like.
In an historic turn today, special counsel Jack Smith moving to drop the federal charges against President-elect Trump, both for allegations that he sought to illegally overturn the 2020 election in the lead up to the January 6 Capitol attack, and for the classified documents case involving boxes of sensitive material brought to Mar-a-Lago after the first Trump term and allegations he obstructed justice in not giving them all back when the government asked. President-elect Trump denies all wrongdoing. Smith citing the president-elect's upcoming inauguration for a second term and the long-standing Justice Department policy that prohibits prosecuting a sitting president. Smith writing, quote, "That prohibition is categorical and does not turn on the gravity of the crimes charged, the strength of the government's proof, or the merits of the prosecution, which the government stands fully behind." Smith described the election interference charges against Mr. Trump in stark terms when he announced them last year, calling January 6th an assault on democracy.
It was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant targeted at obstructing a bedrock function of the U.S. government, the nation's process of collecting, counting, and certifying the results of the presidential election.
A Trump spokesman saying in part, quote, "Today's decision by the DOJ ends the unconstitutional federal cases against President Trump and is a major victory for the rule of law." Smith's filing leaves the door open to revisiting the charges in the future, but the statute of limitations is set to expire during the next Trump term, meaning unless there's an intervention to pause the clock, it appears an unprecedented chapter in American legal and political history is closed. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.